Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can draft job descriptions using Claude AI. Okay, so basically I want to show you how we can turn a messy, half-formed role brief into a polished, ready-to-post job description in just a couple of minutes using Claude AI. So first, open up a new chat. It's important and necessary, and of course select the co-work mode. And now we gotta let me show the role brief that I have. I got it saved right in here. Okay, this is how it presents. It's in notepad. Raw notes from hiring manager, the title, the team, location, why are we hiring, what they'll actually do, and the rest of the stuff. Now, using the Claude, we are going to modify it. It's just the bullet points, the job title, why they're hiring, etc., etc. And the Claude job will be turning this into something that actually reads like a job posting. Okay. First, we need to enter the prompt into Claude AI. I have this prepared. Okay. Turn the role brief into a polished job description. Click on enter. Oh, my bad. I have deleted the good chat, my bad. It automatically found the file because before we have started, I have selected in which folder the Claude is going to work. You can also do it during the chat. All you gotta do is to click on this icon, add a folder, and here you'll be able to add the folder for the current session, for the current chat. But I'm not done. I would like to do it a little bit differently. We can, of course, paste and attach this file manually, and I will also add more details in the chat box. So I'll click the plus icon, then add files or photos. I will attach the role brief right in here, and I'll add more things, something like that. Okay. Now, and click on enter. Okay, it already says that it has done the job because I have selected the folder before. Let's see how it presents now. Role brief. Is that it? No, it has been saved in a different folder. Yeah, it's right in here. Now, as you can see, it looks much better. Okay, it has saved in a different folder. As you can see, everything has worked perfectly. We can also tighten it up a little bit. So now let's do it. I need to find my right prompt. Okay. Tighten it up. Okay, and then tighten the responsibilities section to 5 to 6 bullets. Make sure required and preferred qualifications are clearly separated and keep the EEO statement as is. Okay, so let's do it. Boom, enter. Okay, it says that it has done the job. Okay, and here we have the final result. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.